Okay, I'm going to have an update for the gearbox. I'll show you. One is in the way. Yep. See, it moves freely. Update on the thruster bearing. Let's see if I can. Yep. Let's see. It moves freely for the thruster bearing. The shaft goes all the way through and to this side, and it had seized in here and in there. So what I've done, I've drilled a 3.5mm hole and then a 5mm hole, and then I tapped it to put these grease nipples in. So in future you can fix this by pumping a bit of grease into the shaft. Go. I already tightened that one, and to free it off you have to take the clips off and start moving it, and this actually moves freely as well here on a keyway. This was completely locked as well. You got to make sure you can't just bash it. You're going to break this sleeve off, then you're really screwed. So that's basically the upgrade fix. What you need to do to fix your transmission. I recommend everybody's doing this. Okay, thank you.